desk because we're going to get more information on this case, but we do know that an adult and a child were hurt in this incident. Take a look at this new video just into our newsroom today. It's from Freestone Park in Gilbert near Guadalupe and Lindsay Roads. Police tell us just after noon, this miniature train toppled over while it was moving. The train is privately operated by a company called Freestone Railroad. We're told the child and the adult were taken to the hospital, but they are expected to be okay.
This is the Kiddie Train Derailment Memorial Giveaway, featuring this brass survival tube with integrated compass. To the 2+ victims of the 2023 Freestone Park Kiddie Train derailment, may you find your way back home.